Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about Bitconnect. It's been down for a couple days now, and I just wanted to give you guys an update and try to figure out what's going on. According to what they said, if you visit the website in the front, you're required to check a box that says "I'm not a robot." We'll enable login in the dashboard as soon as we realize everything's under control. And they've been updating us, regularly here, so I'm not too worried about it. There's been previous issues in the past, and I kind of expected that with a website that has so much attention on it. So it doesn't really surprise me that they have some stuff going on. But they keep us informed here. They keep letting us know what's going on. So that's a good thing. They're not leaving us in the dark here. But anything can happen. And that's the truth. I'm not going to tell you that everything is peachy because you really don't know. But from what I'm reading and what I've been seeing on forums and stuff, they had a DDoS attack, and again, I'm not surprised. I know it's happening to a lot of websites that are, you know, being looked at, and there's a lot of hate around them because of maybe what they do, what they represent, or people think they're scams, and they just want to see them fall. So I've tried to go to the website, and this is what it does. It tells you, you click this, and it's been loading for a while, and then sometimes, okay, there you go. I got into the loading screen before to log in, but it wouldn't pass that, and now we're just getting back to this. So, they're still working on it. I hope that, it does come back up, because I know, like most of you, I have loans and interest that I want to reinvest. And I mean, hopefully it's still growing. I'm wondering now if they're going to continue the interest for those days that were lost. I don't know if we're still growing on the amount that we have saved in there or not. So that we're lending out. I don't know if we're still getting interest on that or not, but I hope we are. I want to congratulate the winner. I picked 5 winners from a video that signed up for my team on Bitconnect, and I was able to get my money into my USD account on GDAX. And as you can see, I only have $84.95 left. I started out with 100. I had no fees whatsoever, guys. Yes, it did take 7 to 10 calendar days for me to clear the money into a GDAX account. So if you're an impulse buyer, it's probably not the best thing for you. But if you know that you're going to be buying something soon, or you'd like to, and you're not in a rush, I would definitely check out GDAX and put your money in there, because there's no fees whatsoever if you link your account up. And what I did is to purchase the Bitcoin, I went to limit price, and I found a price that I was comfortable at. Now, for me in particular, I'm doing a giveaway. Just because I'm going to be giving the Bitcoin to somebody else doesn't mean I can't enter at a decent price. Now, am I going to sit here and try to enter in at 13,280 when it's currently sitting at 14,060? No, right? But I'm not going to sit there and enter at, like, let's just say 14,000, whatever, right? I want to try to make some kind of profit on it. So I try to find like a good line of support. Like for instance, let's just say right here, like 14,000 actually happens to be a pretty decent support line right here, as you can tell, like 13,988. So if I were to do it, I'd probably throw the $20 in there, get $20 worth of Bitcoin. And what I do is I come over here, I would do 13,988, right? That's the price I want to buy it at. And how much BTC? Well, I want $20 worth of BTC, right? So I'm going to just guess right here the number. Okay, I could find out. I'm going to guess. I'm going to put, let's see. Okay, that's $9, $11, $12. Let's see if I come back here and I do 1, 13. See, I keep changing numbers around. Okay, so 1, 4. Okay, 1, 4. 2, it's too much. There you go. Look at that, 143, right? And it says $20 on the bottom left. So I just, put numbers in until I got to the total amount that I wanted. So at this point, right now, what I'm telling the website to do is, when it gets to this price, I want to buy $20 worth of BTC. And this is one of the ways to avoid the fees going through market. Because if you go market, I mean, you're order will probably be filled almost instantly, but you have a small fee you have to pay. It's not really that crazy, nothing compared to Coinbase. But so what I do is I hit limit, like I said, and I go to this price right here, and I would hit place buy order, and then it would show up right here, and it would tell me, that how much BTC that I'm going to be buying and the price I'm going to be buying it at. And then when it hits that price, it'll let me know when I get filled, and then that's it. And then you see your current BTC balance right here. And then at that point, you just hit withdrawal, and then give it to whoever or put it to whatever account you want to put it to. So it's a great tool. Like I said, congratulations to the person that won. I had like 5 people that won. The BTC addresses didn't work on some of them, but one person did, and I sent it over. I did communicate with him and let him know I did. So, hopefully he got it. But I'm going to be doing more giveaways, guys. I have $84 here, 95 cents. I mean, I'm going to be doing some more giveaways from time to time. So, if you keep watching videos, I might mention it towards the end of the video. And all you have to do is maybe, put in your BTC wallet address, and then you'll be entered to win, So it's important that you watch the entire videos, because I might say it at the end. And then, you go take a look and you see in comments people putting their BTC wallets and you're wondering why. Because they want to, get some free Bitcoin. Who doesn't, right? So, yeah, guys, if you're worried about Bitconnect, unfortunately, there's nothing you can do right now, and that's just the truth of it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, right? But I honestly think everything's gonna be okay. That's also what I want to believe, because it has gone through some shortcomings in the past, but it was able to break through and keep on moving. So don't go crazy, guys. If you're not following them on Twitter, follow them on Twitter. They'll update you as much as they can. They've been doing a great job on that. As you can see, they got a ton of likes, people retweeting and stuff. So just give them a follow. You guys keep update as they let people know what's going on. And, hopefully you have other investments. If you're into Hashflare, hopefully you're doing Hashflare. My account's doing great right now. Again, it does fluctuate with Bitcoin, but I still am profitable. It's a small account, nothing crazy, right? I'm not rich over here, just an average Joe, nothing insane. But I want to get into maybe next video. I want to start talking about my Twitter account and how I'm growing it. I started out with probably like 10 followers or something like that. I had an account since May 2016, but I was not active on it whatsoever. I think if you take a look down here, you can see that my posts were August 15th, October 29th, May 8th of 2017, and so I wasn't posting every day, let alone every month. And then I think it started out on June 1st, I think it was, is when I started. Yeah, right here, my first one, June 1st, right there. So I started on June 1st, and then from there I just started growing. And I want to show you guys how I'm growing it. I'm not spending any money, right? I don't, I'm not loaded here. So what I'm doing, you could do the same thing. And I want to show you guys a little bit about how I'm doing that. It's a slow process, right? But you got to build up stuff. You can't just expect to build a a skyscraper and not have a good foundation, right? You got to start from the bottom, take your time, and get a good following, people who are going to engage, and not just just a number or a phantom account, I guess is what they call them. So I'll talk about that in another video, guys. But stay tuned. In the next couple of videos, I might talk about giving away some more Bitcoin. So make sure you watch the videos. I might put a link or something in the description, or I might put a number or something like that in the video, whatever it might be. All right. So I want you guys to have a chance to get some free Bitcoin and invest in who knows, that might be the start to a great thing for you. But I guess that's it for me. All right. Take care, guys. Until next time.